In this video, I'm going to show you how to put the wheelie bar and the whip lights on the Traxxas Funco sand car. Okay, before you put in the wheelie bar, you'll have to remove this top plastic piece. There's 6 screws that you'll have to loosen, which is right here, and right here. And then there's 3 on the other side. So I already got those loose. And then once that's off, you'll have to remove the motor. And then there's 4 screws that hold the motor in. Okay, once that top piece is off, there's 4 screws that are holding the motor in. So I'll show you right where those are to then take out the motor. There's one right here. I already got them pretty loose, so the motor can come out a little quicker. Then one on the other side in the same spot. And then the other 2 are right here. I already got these ones a little bit loose also. So once these screws are out, the motor should come out. So that's how that looks. And then you'll see the wheelie bar would screw right into these holes right here with those 4mm screws. Okay, when you go to put on the wheelie bar, if you're wondering which way it goes, these parts of the plastic goes facing down. So it would go on like this. So you just have to flex it over this part. And then you'll see those 4 holes right there, and then just goes over those. And then I don't think I need to show how the motor goes on, since if you got to this far, you probably know how to put it back on if you've taken it off. Okay, now I'll show how to put on the whip lights. The first thing you'll have to do is remove the screws that are holding on the roof panel. Those are the ones looking like this. And then I've already done that, so once you get that off, if you're wondering which way it goes on, it goes this way with this part facing towards the front of the car, and that's where the screw holding on the roof panel will go on right here. And then the screws to hold this in to the roll cage are in that little baggie, along with the rest of the screws to hold on the roof panel. Okay, I got the roof panel screwed on, so now the next thing to do is to plug in the whip lights. So when you go to plug in the whip lights, it's pretty easy. There's a power supply which has 2 wires coming out of it. One of them is connected to an extension wire which goes to the other side, and then you can plug those 2 in, and then this side would plug into this one, and then on the other end, this red connector would plug into the receiver, where on the receiver there's a wire coming out of it, so that's where this goes. That's how the whip lights look when they're plugged in. They look like they're pretty bright. And now I'll show you how it looks when the lights are off. And that's how bright they are when all the lights are off. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.